Hi, my name is Dakota Shafer and I'm with Structural Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs. And today I want to talk about a technique to cut in a perfect paint line. This technique works great whether you're rounding a corner with different colors, around your baseboards, or even the ceilings. And if you think this technique involves stealing your kids' paintbrush and with 2 cans of paint and going back and forth, you'd be wrong. Now come on in and take a look at this sweet line. That sure is a sweet line.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this technique does take a little bit more prep work up front, but I guarantee it'll save you time in the long run. And so the problem is when you're taping textured walls, the texture actually keeps the tape from sticking perfectly. And so you get bleed behind and then you're constantly chasing it. So step one is to go ahead and mask where you want your lines to be. And then the second step is you take a caulk gun and you cut the tube of caulking very fine on the end. And what you do is you just run a small bead right down the line that you're wanting to paint, and then you take your finger and you wipe away the excess. And so what you're doing is creating this tiny seal between the tape and the texture. After you do that and tape everything and caulk it all, then you're ready to paint. One other benefit of doing it this way is if you use a wide enough piece of tape, a lot of times you can roll right up to the ceiling. You don't necessarily have to use a brush, and you don't have to be as careful along those lines as you'd normally be. So after you let it dry a little bit, the only thing left to do is to pull the tape. Let's see how we did. Oh, that line looks pretty sweet, Jen.
Very sweet.
Yeah, look at the one along the ceiling.
That's perfect.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, please hit the contact button on our page or call the number on the screen. And you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel to get new tips every week.